Hey guys, happy Monday and welcome back from spring break. I hope you all had a nice week off, even though there wasn't as much to do as normal. It probably was great to just not have to worry about anything for the whole week. I know that was nice for me. So a little bit of change within how certain things will look this week, so I'm going to show you that in this video. So as usual, you're going to go to the day 16 for today, Monday, announcements and videos. It's under the topic that you'll always see called daily announcements, and then in all caps it says check here every day. I typed up a little more than normal here than I normally will. It's just explaining to you that from now on, instead of listing out in order, like step by step in this exact post, what you need to do each day, I'm now creating a Google Doc. Every day there'll be a new Google Doc attached to this post. Excuse me. It'll say April 13th or whatever the date is, work breakdown, and you will click it, and what it has is everything you need to do for today broken up into more of a organized kind of list. So you can see the title and which subject it has on the left side, and then it tells you what to do for each subject. Okay? So be sure to read that every single day. Again, that is my new way of sharing what you have to do each day instead of typing it all here, because that can get pretty long. Now again, today's is longer because what I'm telling you about is your new writing journal for the week. So instead of you writing an entire essay in a week, or instead of doing the Kahoots like we did for fun before spring break, this week you're going to have a writing journal, and you're only going to have to write one paragraph a day. Okay, and they're not going to all go together in an essay. They're all different prompts. So let me go over what I mean by that, okay? So for writing this week, what you need to do is you need to go to Google Classroom and you click on the topic that's called Digital Learning Resources Week 4. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Give me a second. Let me pull up my classroom since I have a lot of stuff opened right now. So sorry. So when you're in my Google Classroom, you're going to click on My Class, and then you're going to go to Classwork and go to the title that I just talked about, Digital Learning Resources Week 4. Okay? What you're going to do is you're going to go through, and you'll have ReadWorks for the week, so that's why there's a lot. But you're going to click on the one that's called Writing Journal. Okay? So what you're going to do is you are going to open up the writing journal file. Okay, it's opened now, and you'll see that you will be able to create your own writing journal. Okay, now when you go to my Google Classroom and you just click on it, okay, you cannot type on this one immediately. This is the original copy. If you type on it, all of you will be typing on it. What you need to do once you open it is click File, and then go to Make a Copy. And it's going to ask if you want to make a copy of the entire presentation or only selected slides. Do the entire presentation. Okay, and it says copy of writing journal. You can put your name at the end so you know it's yours, or your initials if you want. And then put it in your Google Classroom folder. I'm going to put mine like in my drive, and then I'm going to put mine in 4th grade for me because I have this created for you guys. I'm going to click select. Okay. Okay, now this is my personal copy of a writing journal. This one I can write in. Notice it has my initials that I just typed out for it. If I go to this one that I opened up from Google Classroom, it is not a copy. It is the original one. If you type in this, everyone is going to be typing on top of each other's stuff. You must make a file, make a copy, title it with your initials, and then only type in the copy one, which will always be in your Google Drive. So I'll show you my own journal now is in my personal Google Drive. Okay, sorry the internet's a little slow, but there's mine. Okay, now I'm gonna read what I have to do. So I'm gonna put my name here. Okay, I'm gonna edit, put my name Ms. Babala, writing journal. All right, expectations. Please make sure to write at least 5 complete sentences with capital letters and punctuation. Your paragraph should have a topic sentence, details and explanations, and a conclusion sentence because you're just writing one paragraph. Now go to today's date, Monday, April 13th, 2020. Here is your writing prompt for today. Choose an animal you know about. Share interesting and important facts about this animal, appearance, habitat, diet, etc. I would be typing about a cat. And notice again, I'm typing in my personal journal, not in the original copy. Okay? So, an animal that I have lots of knowledge on is a cat. Okay, there's my topic sentence. I'm going to talk about its appearance, its habitat, its diet. For house-trained cats, their diet consists of store-bought food. Some prefer dry food, like my cat. Some prefer wet food, okay? So you can see I've already gotten, that's 3 sentences, okay? Now I might talk about their habitat, whether they might live in the wild or whether they live in a house, or I could talk about their appearance and then a conclusion sentence, and then I'm good to go. Since I didn't type in the original one, look, it's not there for everyone to see. It is just for me. That's exactly what I want, okay? Now let me go back to what I was saying. So that's where you're going to find writing each week, okay? I'm going to show you where to go again. You're going to go to Google Classroom, Mine, Digital Learning Resources Week 4, and then you're going to find, instead of ReadWorks, it'll say Writing Journal. You're going to click on that Writing Journal file. Once it opens up, you're going to click File, make a copy, make the copy with your name, you know, type out, remember, click Entire Presentation, put your initials, okay, then make a copy. But I already did that. You don't need to make a copy every day. Once you make the original copy, it'll be there for you. Once you make that copy today, like I just made this one, look, I can pretend that I'm done with it, close out of it. Tomorrow when I want to type for Tuesday's writing prompt, when I go to my Google Drive, it's right there. And then I have what's typed from yesterday saved. And then I will go to the next day's prompt, the 14th, okay? So that's all for writing this week. If you have more questions about it, wait till we Zoom chat today and ask it. In this post, I'm also telling you how there's still our weekly math chats with your math teacher, 10:30 to 11. And then Zoom on Monday, Wednesday, Fridays is for the whole homeroom. So today it's everybody. So if you have questions, please get on today, especially because we're starting another week. Tuesdays and Thursdays, I will remind you of this every day, but Tuesdays and Thursdays Zoom chats are specified by your reading groups. So groups 1 and 2 will get on from 1 to 1:30, and then from 1:30 to 2 would be groups 3 and 4. Okay? I'll even just put the time for today. 1 to 2 p.m. All right, well, I hope you guys have a great day. If you have questions, reach out to me on here, email me. I'll be available at least till 3, probably 4. But please get on the Zoom chat if you really have questions, because I mean, I can directly answer them right there and then for you, quicker than anything. All right, bye guys.